So you want to download the Child Support Calculator Progressive Web app to your phone or laptop. No worries, it's a breeze. Let's start with adding the application to your taskbar on your laptop, and then go over how to add the app to the front screen of your cell phone. First, type in https://virginiachildsupportcalculator.com. Next, click on these top 3 buttons displayed on your laptop. Click on Save and Share. Next, click on the Install link and proceed from there. Each computer is a little different. With this laptop, click Install button. One last thing to do. If you want the app to show on the taskbar, click Yes. If your laptop is showing different displays than what's on the screen, then Google how to download progressive web applications for your device. Let's move on to how to download the Child Support Calculator Progressive Web app to your phone. To begin, open up your phone's web browser and enter the calculator's URL address. The address is https://virginiachildsupportcalculator.com. Once the calculator appears on your phone, click on the 3 buttons on the top of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on the Install App link. A pop-up will appear, double-checking whether you wish to install the app. Select Install. Locate the app with the cardinal cartoon picture on one of the phone's screens. Finally, move the calculator's icon to the home screen. Not all phones follow the instructions in this video. To obtain instructions, Google how to download a progressive web app for your specific phone. Hope this video has been helpful and have a nice day.